Hey fam, so it's 7:49 in the morning. I woke up to my house completely shaking, and unfortunately someone had an accident and ran into our house. So let's go out and take a look. It looks like they may have came from here and slid into our house. Like I said before, everybody is safe. From what I'm hearing is that people were driving down. We have a school across our house, like across the street, and people were getting like driving 35 miles an hour, the one said, and this gentleman passed and slid, and for whatever reason took it too far there. So sorry y'all, that was scary to be woken up to. Ain't even gonna lie, the whole house shook. There we go. There's the truck at our door. It didn't go into our front door, which I'm very thankful for, but it really did get dented in some of our brick. It dented in some of our brick, so there's Ruby. She ain't happy. Look, there's the pieces. So look, you can tell must have came, they hit the tree, tore all the stuff down. Well, it looks like that's the gentleman that did it. Dang. Totally. There's our tree. Tore everything up.
What up, Blended? What up, family? I know Miss Jenn's already talked to y'all, man. Y'all see this stuff? Tracks where he came down from the road to the house. I got our light. But everybody was okay? Everybody was okay, fam. It's just a little house damage. Good morning to us, huh? Friday morning. Good morning to us. I was at work and she heard the bang and
no, I felt it. I didn't really hear it. I felt it.
Yeah. Felt the house shake.
The house shook.
They got to come out and check structural damage and all kinds of stuff, but getting the truck out of here. Drum came off of the drum. There's the light. The guy tied off the truck with the drum.
Yeah. Oh, and
Trying to yard up. Oh yeah, got structural damage right there.
That's electrical.
That's all gonna be replaced.
I know, but that's not. I'm not gonna touch anything. Look.
So much for the weekend. Things happen. Truck up there. Yeah, push the wall in, push it in right there. Push that all, that's all got to be replaced. Oh man. You gotta get it. I know they were scared. We talk to the policeman, get the police reports, we can turn it into our insurance and get this stuff taken care of. See y'all inside the house, fam.
Like everywhere.
Broke the door.
I mean, like it's not inside.
Cracked.
I mean, our door jamb looks like it's messed up.
There's cracked drywall.
Yeah, we
and
have cracked drywall everywhere, but outside, like all the
door
bricks,
frame
like,
is
where
messed
the
up.
lights are. Like, do you know our light pole out front? That's gone. They hit that, hit the tree, and then, well, they're taking the truck now. Yeah. No, they just left. There was a little boy and a dad.
Finally getting the truck on the lift, on a tow truck. Yeah, it's came from the street, missed some trees, hit the big tree, tore the wheel off, poles messed up. Get all this fixed. This will start to a crazy weekend, fam. Start to a crazy weekend. Let's see what we got going on. Got the front door open, fam. Yeah, all the drywall's cracked. The motor on the bottom's come off. It's so. Gotta get some repairs done to the house now.
I thought you said Tracy was coming up. You said Tracy was coming up today.
Also, the wall in the theater room.
Right after. I mean, does someone? Okay, you call Tracy and call her. What do you want? So, do you want me there to, like, when they're moving you? I thought she was going to be there when they were moving.
Can't wait.
He's not sure what to do.
Right.
He's like,
maybe he's
is
gonna
he
come
waiting
talk.
for someone?
I don't know. Get his camera out.
Like, is he like, I already done missed the good stuff. I can show you pictures.
Right, we got footage of it. Oh, he's getting his tripod out and everything. Go run over there and talk to him.
That's crazy.
So we're gonna see what he's got. He's gonna be on the news there, so, you know. What a way to start the weekend though, fam. But, you know, we're blessed, we're thankful, nobody's been hurt. The guy in the truck, I guess he busted his head open. He had a son in the back of the vehicle. His son was okay. So everybody walked away. You know, damage to the house, but we're thankful that that's all it was, damage to the house. No one was hurt. So we'll see what goes on. Waiting for the inspector to call back. The insurance guy to call back so we can get someone to come out here and look at this and get some stuff started to get fixed, because can't have it like this. So we'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, fam. Well, the guy came by, looked at everything, took pictures, measurements. You know, now we're just waiting for the estimate to come back and get back with us first part of next week. Let us know what's going on and when they can get started fixing our house up, fixing the front up. So he smashed into the wall and broke some parts inside the house, drywall and framing and stuff. So it is what it is, fam, man. But it's gonna get fixed. Could have been worse. And thank God, no one was hurt. The driver, he busted his head open, had blood in his head. His son was in the back seat. Son was okay. They both walked away. It is what it is. So now, wait till next week to get our house fixed back up. But we love y'all, man. Hope you're having a blessed weekend so far. Start to the weekend. It is Friday. Hope it goes good for everybody. You know, we're gonna keep doing our thing, man. We love y'all, Blended. Spirit fingers.